So you guys are always asking me how I attach my bows to my door hangers. So I thought real quick I would show you a really simple bow that you can do and how to attach it. I just finished painting this cute little flower jar door hanger, and if you want to paint one too, the template and the blank is available in my shop. Each of these strips is cut to about 8 inches, and then I dovetailed the ends. A simple way to do this is fold your ribbon in half and just snip at an angle so that you create the dovetail. And if you'll ignore all the pounding, they're working on our roof today. So just get about at least 6 pieces of ribbon works best. And I like to do 6 different pieces of ribbon. And then you just keep crisscrossing them. I like to pinch them as I pick them up and just keep layering them on top of one another, going different directions as much as possible. You can always fan them out and reposition them after you've got them all tied together. You can either use a pipe cleaner, or I've got a piece of jute string. You're gonna wrap it around the middle and tie a double knot, just like that. And now you can take all of these pieces, and I like to put my fingers behind and lift up and out to create a fluffy looking bow. And then if some of them aren't showing up, I like to pull them, you know, left or right so that they show up in front of other ones. Other pieces. There we go, and we've got a really spunky looking bow. Now to attach this, you're just going to need a staple gun and position your bow wherever you want it. Lift up on the bottom layers and just staple this bottom layer to the door hanger. And wouldn't you know, I'm out of staples. Just a moment. Okay, so just lift it up, staple the bottom layer. I like to staple once on each side. So I only stapled this green piece. Something's wrong with my staple gun. There we go. And now you can refluff it if you need to, so that all the pieces are showing. Okay, now for the back. You're just gonna need another piece of jute string, cut it about 15 inches or so. It just kind of depends on the size of your door hanger. Tie a knot in each end, which I've just done. Flip your door hanger over. And the best way to find out where to hang it is to kind of pick your door hanger up and like hold it up like this and figure out where is the middle, or where is the level balance. And so the level spot was right about here. So I'm gonna attach my string here and here. There we go. It's all finished. It's upside down for you guys, I suppose. Maybe. I don't know. Either way, I hope this was helpful for you guys. How to attach a bow and how to put string on the back of your door hanger.